Hey everyone, Christmas is coming again, and today I'd like to share with you how to make royal icing for decorating Christmas cookies. Just keep watching and learn how to make this classic icing for decorating cookies for any occasion, including beautiful Christmas cookies. And Merry Christmas, guys. Thank you so much for watching my videos. Here is the ingredients and instructions on how to make royal icing for Christmas cookies. In a bowl with hot water, about 60 degrees, place your mixing bowl with 4 egg whites and add 1/2 cup of custard sugar. Continue stirring until it reaches a safe temperature and add 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla. Now beat the mixture on medium speed with an electric mixer. Around 5 to 7 minutes. Then add about 2 cups of icing sugar. Again, guys, we using electric mixer. Beat the mixture on medium speed until the icing should be thick enough to hold its shape but still be able to pipe. Yeah. It should be smooth and glossy. Like that. Then add your lemon juice. 1 lemon is enough. The icing should be thick enough to hold its shape but still be able to pipe. Yeah. Now, in separate bowls, divide your royal icing and add the colors you'd like to use. Mix well until the color evenly distribute. Fill piping bags. And now for the exciting part, decorating Christmas cookies. Let's do it. Anyway, guys, have fun watching my video. Thank you for watching.